Yeah. And I'm positive that you're going to make the A star in your A levels.
Yes.
Okay. So you just have to stay focused.
Yes.
Practice, solve more questions, and that will be the focus of our discussion. Okay. So you share your screen and let's review the Excel skills. Then I'm just hoping that by the end of this month, we should be done with that. Then we look at Excel experts. Then when we finish, we look at past questions related to Excel for the A level, and we solve them. Then at least it will give you a leg up.
Oh,
Okay?
yes, please.
Okay, good. So when are you girls going back to
It's
school?
taking long to load. We went to school today. We are back.
Oh, so it was just a short break.
It was just a week.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine.
A week.
So you guys went before schools in the UK. Okay, schools in the UK are now on recess.
Okay. So some people even went last 2 weeks. We
Last
we wrote
weeks.
our midterm. Yes, we wrote. I was like, how the school does this? We write our midterm, then a week. Then we come to school the next week. Then we go on midterm break. Then the week
Oh,
after that.
okay.
So we have for one whole week before we break.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay.
Oh, it's not.
So
Oh,
scroll down and let's look at the Excel 365. So which one are we looking at? Is it the skill review or the exam? Let's look at the practice exam one. Oh, we've got so many of them. Wait, don't start a new one. So go to
shall I
training. Testing. Yes, resume test.
This one says 0%. That means someone didn't do
Yes.
it.
So you need to complete this in 50 minutes. I'm not going to talk. Yeah?
Oh, say, how is that
Yes.
possible?
Yeah, it's possible. So just go through it. The ones that you can do, just do them. The ones that you're not able to
Hey,
do, we will review them under training mode. Okay?
okay, so
Okay, good.
how to load. Oh, let me see how much time is left. Okay. It says you manage a rental shop at a popular public beach. It is your responsibility to update the list of rental rates. So
Okay.
import the data from the source. To task one, import the data from the source file, more rentals.xml located in the GMetrix template folder. Load the load the driving rentals data to a new worksheet except all other defaults. So it says import the data source from this thing. Okay.
So where do you go to
Oh,
import data? If you
I
cannot,
think we have to.
uh-huh.
Oh, I can do it. We
Okay.
have to open and browse open. It says, I think it's this.
But you are to import.
Okay. More.
You're not asked to open, you are to import. So where do you go to import data? It's about data,
Let's
right?
see. Yes. Okay. Let's see.
And we are importing what? XML. Mhm.
Uh,
XML.
I see what I did. I was taking a while to load. Hey,
Yeah,
2 minutes
it will
already
come.
gone. How?
Don't worry, it will come. Okay, is there more rentals? Okay. Then you are what? Loading it to what? The diving rentals data, right? Which is a new worksheet.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So load to, we are loading to what? New worksheet. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. They said
We did
accept
it.
all.
We did
They
it.
said they told you to accept all other defaults, right? Okay. Move
Yes.
on to task 2. Time is running out. Move on to task 2.
On the serve_a rentals worksheet, clear the formatting in cell range A4 to D4. So we have to go from A. Okay, let me just start here. A4 to D4.
Mm-hmm. You've
Okay,
selected.
select. It
It's been
says
selected. Mm-hmm. Clear formatting. Okay, move quickly.
on the serve rentals worksheet in cell 15, enter the rental cost of full day bungee board package using the sum function and the named range bungee_ package. So it says that cell C15. So we have entered cell C15 and so equal to sum, and then it says bungee.
Bougie. Okay.
Bungee.
Okay, done. Task 4.
Change the orientation of the serve_rentals worksheet to landscape. So just I like questions like this, very simple and short. Yes, that's it. Inspect the worksheet for compatibility issues. Copy the results to a new worksheet. So we have to go to file, just go to info. We have to go to check issues, inspect document. Okay. Have I done it right then? No, I haven't. Check, sorry, check compatibility. It says check compatibility when saving this and copy to, I think I did the right thing. So don't you think so?
Okay, so great project. Move on quickly. No
It's
time to waste.
as for you. Yes, no time to waste. Okay, it says join cells A1 to E1 of the fencing worksheet. Do not change the alignment of the contents. Okay, so we have to go to fencing. We don't want to make that mistake where I do the wrong thing in the wrong worksheet. The right thing in the wrong worksheet. Okay, it says A1 to E1. It says join cells. Okay, do not change it. So we have to go to home. So we are doing align merchants. So you just merge cells. So it doesn't change the alignment. And on the cell, on the carriers and gauges worksheet, link the contents in cell 19 to cell B5 on the fencing worksheet. So we have to, it says link the contents in cell. So you have to go to cell C19. And then it says link cell C19 to the B. Okay, so you have to select this information. go to insert. Okay. Okay. If I select, like, why is it not okay? Okay, let me just say. Okay, insert a link. Place in this document. Type reference B5. B5. And it's in the fencing. So yes, B5, we've done it. Seppi, did you see?
Yeah, I'm watching closely.
And
Continue.
the cages, it carriers and cages where she apply the three flag icons, set conditional formatting to the contents in the inventory column. So you have to select the whole inventory column, and then we have to go to home. We go to additional formatting, go to icon setting, then says three flags. What else is it? In the carriers and cages worksheet, expand the chart data range to include the 20
Feet.
5th outdoor run.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to select the data, the table. I think you can just, so it's just like this.
Okay, well done. Move.
Marcus, which is maybe this is not the way they want it to be. Okay. Apply style 4 to the chart located in the cage carriers and cages worksheet. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 4. Style 4. This is it.
Good.
Great project.
I like your
See,
speed, the way you were
we'll give
able
you
to
the
navigate.
ones.
Well done.
Yeah, to give you easy ones and won't give you the hard ones. Simultaneously replace all
Occurrences.
sorry, simultaneously replace all occurrences of the word. I don't know if it's
Splurge.
with, yeah, splurge with
Splurge.
T, in the entire workbook. So, yeah, okay, so we're looking for, okay, find select. So we have to replace. So we find what? Splurge.
Mhm.
Okay, splurge. And then replace it with T. Wait, let me see. Okay. Within sheets? No, okay, yes, within workbook, the entire workbook. I think that's it.
Okay.
Replace it.
Done.
That
Okay.
that way you won't have to go to profits and then also have to replace it. You just replace it once.
Okay. Well done.
And on the cost worksheet, to repeat the rows containing the company name and column headings so they appear on all printing pages. So this is here at cost, we're at the cost section. It says repeat the rows containing the company name and column headings so they appear. So we are looking for this one.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we have to go to print area. Oh no, I
I
think
said,
it's print out.
okay.
Yes.
So rows to repeat at the top, I think. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Well done.
Yes.
Boom.
So we have to
Okay.
go and check. So let's go and check. So as you can see, it's still here.
Yeah.
Simultaneously apply the cash or $ format to columns B through G on the profits worksheet. So you have to go to profits and then we have to select column B to G,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have to go to home and we just, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, and then it says, okay. Modify the charts on the profit worksheet so the flavors are displayed as horizontal axis labels, and expense and income are the legend. See, this one I was struggling with it. Marcus, this one. I'm so lost with this. So let's see.
So with this, what you do is you switch the row and column. That's it. So within the data group, you just switch the row and column, and you have it.
Oh, that's
Expense
it.
and income legend. Yeah.
And I was struggling with this question. Oh, thank you, sir. Modify that. That's one of the questions I was struggling with. Modify the
Okay.
chart on the perfect worksheet so the legend appears at the top.
So we want the legend at the top.
So
I always say that you focus on the contextual tab. So look at the contextual tab for the chart design. We've got add chart element to your far left. So title, right? The legend should be at the top. That's it. Is it okay now?
So yes, the
So it,
table that were
yeah,
confusing you, but thank you, sir.
okay. So anytime you're formatting something, always focus on the contextual tab.
Yeah, I didn't even read this one. You are a local retailer who sells and supports tablets and smartphones. You are creating a price list of an upcoming sale. So it says create one named range from the cell range F5 to F15 and F18 to F26. Name the range support. Okay, so we have to select F5 to F15. Select and then control. I don't know, control. Oops,
Yeah.
Then we have to select. Oop, okay, so I have to manually do it. So it says F18 to F26.
F18 to F26, but you've selected A18 to F26. Do it again.
Okay, so it's just here. Then here.
The same F column, yes. So now you need to define the name. Okay. Support. Okay. Support is already there, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
Done. Okay.
Support. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Use the structured reference in a formula to calculate the number of rows containing phones on sale. Display the results in cell H5. So this is cell H5. So we have to equal to, that's what formula we're using. So calculate the number of rows containing phones on sale. So I think some if some.
Why some if?
I'm not too sure because it says use the structured reference in the cell and in a formula to calculate the number of rows containing phones. And okay, it's everything. So some.
Okay.
Some rather. Because it's everything here is smartphones already.
Okay.
So you have to select the whole of
phone
this.
on sale. So if it's phone on sale, you are dealing with values. So why have you selected the entire range?
It's rather sales.
Okay.
So that's it. Remove all conditional formatting from this worksheet. So we have to go to home. Oh, sorry, I better selected this.
Remove all conditional formatting.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
On the price list worksheet, simultaneously rotate the text storage, price, sale, and support in both tables to an angle counterclockwise. Okay, so we have to select this. It says price, storage price, sale, and support. Control, support, and then that's it.
Okay, good.
Okay, it says perform a multiple column sort on the data in the smartphone table. First, sort alphabetically by the smartphone column from A to Z, then sort by storage. Okay, so you have to do, okay, so you have to select, it says the smartphone table, you have to select the table. And then it says sort and filter. Oh, sorry, I meant custom sort. So you have to sort smartphones values from A to Z and add another level. Then storage
Mm-hmm.
from B to A. Okay, that's it. Magazine for later. Okay, we're almost done.
Yeah, almost.
Okay, it says, let me read the overview.
Mm-hmm.
You are an administrative assistant for the City Police Department. You have been tasked to modify a workbook in preparation for an upcoming auction of lost/stolen bicycles. Okay. Configure the catalog worksheet so rows 1 through 3 remain visible as you scroll vertically. So catalog, and we have to select, it says 1, 2, and 3. So you have to select
Mm-hmm.
4, then we go
Mm-hmm.
to, sorry, view, then you go to freeze panes.
Okay, so scroll and let's see. Okay, good.
That's
Hold on.
add the status drift to the document property. So
Drafts.
you have to
Yeah.
go to the draft. And so, okay, wait. We have to go to show properties. So you go to status.
Okay.
This is it. Configure Excel to always print cell range A1 to F17 as the sales on the sales worksheet. Okay, so it says A1 sales worksheet. A1 to F17. Okay, so set. Okay,
Okay.
now set. Yeah. And then it says on the sales worksheet, randomly generate numbers between 100 and 200 to populate the auction ID between column from A4 to A17. So we have to find out A4. So is there a shortcut way of doing this? Like me manually typing it?
That's the only way to quickly get there. A4 to what? A17.
Yes.
And to use a formula to generate numbers,
So
random
let me,
numbers between 1,000 and 2,000. So what function are you going to use?
let's see. Is it count? No, that's count the number of cells that we know. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if there's random, if there's a
So
what do you call
so so search for it than just going through. Search for a function. You go to search for a function box at the top, then type the random or random, whatever you think should be the function. So easy run. What does it say?
returns a random number greater than or equal to 0 or less than 1, evenly distributed. Changes on recalculation. I think is this.
But oh no, keep going.
Oh,
We have other options, right?
you have other options. Okay.
Did you
Okay,
check? You
this
didn't check. Because the question is
oh,
saying random between. So search for it again. Search for your rand. You need to hit on go. Hit on go to search for rand so that
okay,
we
it's
only see
random.
rand. What does it say?
It says returns a random number between the numbers you specify.
Ah, so the bottom is what? 1,000.
And the top is 2000.
Uh-huh.
Or is it the other
Uh,
way around?
bottom is 1,000, top is
It says
2,000.
top
That's it.
is the largest integer. Okay. Yay, did it.
You okay now?
Yes, please. Thank you very
Okay,
much. And the
good.
cell in cell B4 on the sales worksheet, insert a formula that joins the description and style located on the columns worksheet. Separate the description and style with a hyphen and a space on both sides of the hyphen. Example, cross country. Oh, it's welcome to cook me.
Hmm?
It's cell B4. Oh, it's people this welcome to cook me alive.
Mm-hmm. So
B4 and
which function are you using?
it says
Y-
inserts a function that joins the description and style located
mhm.
on.
So a function that joins cells. What function is that? So search for concatenate. That's the function, concatenate.
I've heard of that.
Concatenate, Catenate. Concatenate, not concrats. Concatenate, concatenate, Nate. Okay, concatenate. Yeah. You see, it joins several text strings. So where is your text one? So the text one should be the description on the catalog, separated by, then the text two is separated by a space and a hyphen, right? No, don't do
Yeah.
that. Not space.
It's
So you come to the next text two.
okay.
So you click on text two, fill, then you hit your space. Wait, you hit your
Oh yes,
space.
okay, Phil. Yes, Phil. I remember.
Now you go to text three.
Sensor space.
No, separated. No. Just enter space. Now go to text three. So
So
there's a
by the same thing.
hyphen. There's a hyphen. I don't want you to do it manually. Then you go to
Okay.
text four, space again, because there should be a space after.
Space again.
You need to look
Okay.
at the instructions. Space after the hyphen. You
So
didn't do
this
any
is
space.
too
Now you go
much.
to text five. Then you go to text five, which is the catalog. You go and hit on the style. So once you hit on OK, boom, it populated for you. Does that make sense?
Yes, but it's too much.
It's not too much. So that's the use of the concatenate function.
Okay, so I've heard of it. I think I've used it before, but I don't know. I've forgotten. It
Because you
says
also be
on the
taking you also be taking the exam. I'll let you take the exam on Office 365 Excel. Yeah? That's all that.
okay. You
Yeah.
are an administrative assistant for the city police department. You've been tasked to modify workbook preparation for an upcoming. Did you already do this? I think the overview is
That's
doing
fine. Go to
something
task
wrong.
one. Let's go to
It
task one
says
and
on the it says the okay, it's one worksheets add an option to the table that's automatically complete total. It says where okay. Add an option to the table that automatic. So you have to go. This is the end of the table. So total.
so if you want to automatically calculate the total, you need to click within the table to give you the no, you don't do it manually. You click within the table first. Now go to the contextual tab of the table. The contextual tab of the table.
Sorry.
Now, do you see total row? Boom, that's it. Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you, sir. In the maximum row, insert a formula in cell E12. Okay, it says E12.
Mm-hmm.
That contains the largest number of visitor attendance for the quarter. Say E12, insert a formula. You have to insert equal to
Mm-hmm.
that,
So what
that
formula is
returns
it? A
the
formula that
largest
returns the largest number.
max,
Mm-hmm.
because it's maximum.
Mm-hmm.
The largest number of attendance. Is attendance here? Okay, this is yes.
Attendance for the quarter.
Yes. Hello, sir. It says,
Hello. You okay?
yes.
Okay, I'll soon be with you, okay?
For the quarter, then we have to select all of this.
Mm-hmm. Excluding the total, they said the quarter. So if it's the
Yes.
quarter, it's
It's okay.
January to March. Okay?
Yes,
Is it
please.
okay? Okay.
Yes. Insert a formula in cell A1215 below the heading attendance ranking Jane. That stores the data in cell range A5 to B9 in ascending order by attendance. So it says in A15, that's A15, enter. A15,
Mm-hmm.
look at the heading as okay. That sorts the data in the cell range. So I don't know if I'm supposed to do some sorts.
They said function.
Oh, insert a function. Okay.
A function that sorts. So that should give you a clue of what sort of function you are looking for.
Is this sort?
So you need to use the function argument to help you understand a function. So you search for it.
So
That's
should we?
sort it by what? Attendance.
Yes. Let's see what sort gives you.
Mm-hmm.
It says sorts a range of or array based on the values in the corresponding range or array.
Mm-hmm.
Sort a range or array.
So which one are you going to go for? Is it sort by or sort?
Sort by
Okay. So
array.
what is the array? The range
The,
or array to sort. So which one are you sorting?
okay, it says in January.
Mm-hmm.
So all the values here.
Mm. And you are sorting by what?
A5 to no, that's A5. A5 to B9. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
A5 to B9.
Hmm.
So this.
And what's the sort order?
This is it. It says number. I think I'm doing the wrong thing.
So if it's in ascending order, right? Is
Yes.
one. If it is what descending order, what number are you going to use?
Oh, it says -1 for this. Okay. I
And
think
are you
that's
sure
it.
that by array is okay? The range that
Yeah.
you've selected for by array one, are you sure you selected the correct range?
No.
Mm-hmm. So work on it.
I think the array should be this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then this. Okay, the first one should be this one rather. From A5 to B9. And
Mm-hmm.
then the array by array one should be just this January.
Okay.
Okay.
And they did work by descending order.
Yes.
So 57,000, 15,000, 11,000, 6,000. So does it make sense now?
Yes, but I didn't have the
So
currency, so but it's fine.
that's fine. So do you understand why I always keep on telling you to use the function argument? Because it
Yes.
helps than to type
Yes.
it in manually. Okay?
Exactly. Okay.
Good.
On the core two worksheets, convert cell range A4 to E9 to a table with headers. Apply orange table style modern medium 18. So it says core two. So you have to select, it says A4 to E9. A4 to E9. Enter. And then it says to a table with headers. Convert. Okay, I have to convert it to a table.
Mhm.
It says orange table style medium, so orange.
Medium 18.
Okay. Where is 18?
Or just moving too fast. Take your time.
Okay, so
You just count. You just count.
okay, this is it.
Yeah, that's it.
It says apply layout 2 to the pipe chart on the correct 2 worksheet. So we have to go there. It says apply layout.
Mm-hmm.
Layout. I don't know if it's no, that's wrong. No.
No, you focus on the contextual tab. You are just moving too fast. Take your time. Look at the contextual tab. You're looking at layout. Mm-hmm. That's it.
Mm, that's it. Done it. We have 15 more minutes and we're almost
Yeah.
done on the last question.
So you need to
It
make
says,
sure you do the exam 3 as well. Okay.
yes, on the employee bonus worksheet, insert a mixed reference in cell F4 so the formula will correctly calculate the commissions.
Permission.
So A4, F4,
Mm-hmm.
F4,
So if you
and
if
it's
you
not
if you look at the formula, look at the formula. What is in there? G what?
G2 times
So
E4.
click on it. Click on it. Click within the formula bar. So you see the G2 is multiplying the E4, which is the commission rate, right?
Yes, yes,
And they want you to apply a mixed reference, meaning absolute and what? Relative. So as
yes.
I move down to, let's say, E5, okay, my G2
You have to
should
make it,
still.
you have to make G2 absolute.
So how do you make G2 absolute?
Just add a dollar sign.
Perfect. Now hit enter. Now you need to do what?
It didn't say
No,
we
go
should.
back, go back. But did they ask us to?
No, it says just insert the mixed reference and so.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine.
We'll just
I
mark
thought
it if
maybe
it's
we asked to. Okay, that's good. Okay, continue.
worksheet. Use autofill to copy the formula in E4 to calculate the
Mhm.
total from January through March for each employee. It says autofill E4. That's E4. And then
Okay, then let's move on to the next task.
on the employee bonuses worksheet, remove the row containing the salesperson named Alan. Okay, so we have to. It says remove rows containing, so we just have to delete row.
Mm-hmm.
Delete. What is it? Says on the past worksheets, change the style to aqua table style medium 20. Wait, let me see. This is the table. To awkward. You have to select the table. Awkward star.
Medium 20.
That's it. I'm supposed to change the top part. Okay, no. And it says, okay, I did this. It says on the password sheet, insert a spark line in cell F4 that graphs the trend of sales from January to March. So we have to go here. This is F4. And then you have to insert insert a spark line. Okay. Data range. It says
January through what?
March.
March. Okay. Are you asked to do it for all?
I
I
don't
said
know.
in only cell F4.
Yes.
You were not asked to do an autofill, so you just ignore that.
Yeah, I think that's it.
So you're done. Okay, great project. Quick. Well done.
Yes.
So you'll be taking the certification in Excel Associate 365, yeah? Then
Yes.
you do the Excel expert. So click on
Yes.
finish test.
I'm a true expert in Excel.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Those are some of the few
Able.
questions I was struggling with at first.
Okay. Click on great project again. And this is taking okay. So you can maximize it. Let's look at your score. Granby.
Let's see what we get. Let's see what you get. Why is it taking long? Don't take long. Hurry up. Okay. Oh, 914.
914 out of 1,000, which is
Everything
good.
100. Everything 100. Only formula 40.
Formulas
That's
and
good.
functions. So you need to work on that. Okay.
Wow. What did I do
Well
wrong?
done. Well done. So what I need you to do,
I
okay?
got 3 wrong. That's right. 3 wrong.
Yes, structured reference and all of that. Okay. So
So I
you
think
need to work. You need to work on the practice exam 1 in training mode to correct those mistakes. Okay.
okay, sir.
Then
I think
work on
social.
yeah. Then you work on practice exam 2. Then you work on practice exam 3. Yeah. Then you do it
Okay.
in testing mode. Then on Friday or this Saturday, you take the certification exams. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
So
Thank you very
inform me about it. I will need to purchase the exam vouchers
much.
for
Okay,
you
sir.
and Lila. So get Lila. Let's see what I can do with her. Yeah.
Okay, sir. We'll see you
Okay.
later.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.